All right, it's Tuesday. Time to do a big review of the massive amounts of money being printed globally to try and rescue all these major economies here. We have, of course, the US with those stimulus checks coming out next year, which will probably eventually turn into UBI. You have Japan, who is now in talks to prepare that $110 billion stimulus package, try and rescue their economy. We went over that yesterday. You have China doing 1.4 trillion. You have the Federal Reserve ending quantitative tightening, so that is restricting money supply, and now they're going to move into quantitative easing, which is increasing money supply. They're issuing lots of treasuries. $1.9 trillion in US treasuries is being issued. Canada, of course, also ending their tightening cycle and going into their quantitative easing cycle, is in printing more money. Global money supply has gone up a record $137 trillion. And of course, we have lots and lots of rate cuts that have happened. So this is happening because these economies are all struggling. The government is putting money into people's hands to try and get them to spend money. This will eventually cause inflation down the pipe. So there will be another inflation spike, will be as big as it was before. If this continues up, there will be inflation later on. Not next year, maybe not the year after, but eventually you will see inflation. Now, the thing is, though, there is a major disruptor coming, and that is AI. So if AI causes more unemployment, that means less people are employed, less people have money. Then the UBI that's going to be proposed in Canada, the US, more than likely UBI, and all this money, it might not have the same impact as it did during COVID, because people might not have the same hours or same amount of money they did before. So that additional stimulus money might not actually blow up prices as much as it did, because who knows what the economy is going to look like a year from now, 2 years from now, when it comes to employment, and how much of a disruptor AI is going to be with employment numbers. We don't know that. So we're not really sure how this is going to shake out at this point. But if things are exactly the way they are now and all this money is being printed, you're going to see inflation a few years from now from all of this money printing for sure.